Probably 10-12-year-old high dishwasher issues. Door not always closing. And put it on start and nothing is happening. So I'm gonna go through the drama. Taking the door apart, taking all these screws out. And see if we can fix it. Probably a switch or something burned out on a board or something, who knows. Firstly, de-energize device. Let's see if we get some light in there. Take the plug out of the wall. Plug removed from socket, physical break. It is in the status, fix it or we have to get a new dishwasher, so it's worthwhile having a crack at it, see if we can get a bit more life out of it. Take all these bloody screws out. Also, I've made a Dutch butter cook and I'm going to put in the oven about shortly. Uh, 27 minutes on 180 degrees. Alarm at 27 minutes. Alarm now in 26 minutes. Cat is watching me. Cookie. Cat is always watching. Hey, good cat. I've got the door apart, you have to take all the screws out. Looking at the micro switch, that could be faulty. Can't get a continuity on it. This plastic is on here, looks like it could have been warm, but I'm not 100% sure. Just going to take the switch out and see a test on it. But I measured it and it was open circuit. Just tested the switch, but it appears to be alright. Just show on camera so you can show it here. Pushed in, it's open, mega on 1.4, closed is 0.6, 0.7. It looks alright. This is the way it works, it's a toggle. I can cancel a day. I'll just stop it. It seemed to work. It says the switch, so I'll put a jump on there, but it won't go a kilowatt load. Power. I'll put that on reset, hey? Well, it pumps the water back out, that's alright. Hopefully it stops, because that jumper is only rated for 3 amps. So we had a faulty switch, because normally I'm going to unplug it first before I do this, so that might be luck there, that's good. On my box was microwave parts, see what I find in here. Some switches here, that one. As long as they have the same rating, goes on. Got microwaves in the garden. Okay. Only these switches click. I've got another switch here and it clicks properly. I'll test the new switch, the replacement switch. I'm not as good as Big Clive because he can do everything with his one hand. It's not making good contact here. Let's get these two on here. Zero arms. Perfect. Hopefully you can see it from here. Let's swap this thing out. Okay, all screws are back in. A bit fiddly to put the door back together. Door closes properly, opens properly. The device is plugged back in and energized, and I'll get the big moment of see if it actually works. That's going to be the best part. Light comes on. Done a reset. Put it on position 1. See what happens. And it works. And there goes the cycle, and there's an end result. Ew. Well, testing the old switch again. It feels pretty limp. So I'll push these two wires in here and click it. In, out, mega ohms, auto, and when you short it out, it should be showing 0. So the old switch is definitely faulty. So we'll see how long this is going to last. I'll give you an update when the washing cycle is completed. Only annoying thing is that on these new switches the terminals are smaller, the display terminals are smaller. This is the old switch, faulty one, and that's another microwave switch. I cleaned the contacts up really well, which are in the machine. So I'll squeeze them up a bit harder, so we'll see how it goes. Free switch anyway, so if I have to replace it, should not be the issue. So yep, that's all for now. Cheers. Okay, the dishwasher just finished its round, and I'm going to open the door. Let it just breathe out. Inside looks good, looks clean. Faulty door switch. Oh, the Dutch buttercook came out perfect. Even a piece I couldn't resist. It's quite a solid cake. Delicious.